Hi guys, so I literally came in now. I went shopping, and as I was driving in, I saw the delivery man delivering things at my neighbor's, and he was like coming towards me, and I was like, I wasn't expecting my delivery today. And guess what? He said yes, he has the delivery for me. So this is my order from Temu. Now I've seen a lot of people make videos and say this, I ordered this and this is what I got. So I decided to try Temu and see if they're not going to fall my hand. Okay, yeah, Temu is not going to fall my hand, I pray so. So yeah, so this is my order from Temu. So let's see what's inside. I will be putting the pictures by the side. I'm not sure, but let's just see. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully I don't get to do what I ordered versus what I got, because I can't cry, I can't shout, because I really cannot shout. So this is a vacuum cup. I got this for myself. Yes, I got this for myself. Why would they leave it on? Or is it me? It's not me. Yeah, it's on. So I got this for myself because it got a filter. There is a filter in it. This is pretty, I won't lie. It's not it doesn't have any name, so it's not labeled, and it has temperature, whatever. So this is pretty. I love that. I can't remember the price, so I'll just put them on the screen. Okay, what's this one? I can't remember what this is. Let's see what this. Okay, so I bought this for my husband. I'm not sure. It's for hats. I'll put the picture so you guys can see. So this is for my husband. It's for to put his hat or to hang his hat. But if he doesn't want it, I'll use it for the boys. And it has the screw and stuff there. I think I know what this is. This is another vacuum cup of flax. Yeah, a vacuum flax, but this one comes with 3 different cups. So I bought this one for my husband because sometimes he doesn't like eating or going with food, so I just bought it for him to like put tea or hot water. For the size I expected it to be big, to be honest, but it's good all the same. And the good thing about this particular bottle is that it keeps hot and cold, and like I said, it comes with three cups. So that's the first cup, that's the second cup, and then that's the third cup. This is pretty. Okay, this is good. So I bought this for my daughter. Whenever I'm washing her hair, she's always like, oh, water is falling on her head. She'll just start screaming. So this is pretty because I actually had one I bought before, but that one was rubbish. So I'll just have to put it over her hair when I'm washing on our hair wash day and wash her hair. This is good. I can't remember the price. It's actually like storage. I bought it for my daughter. I want to put her panties and her singlets and her socks in each of the boxes, so it'll be easy for her to pick what she wants. Because for now I just put the thing in plastic, but with this one she'll be able to like get her stuff. This is handy, trust me, and it's two in the pack. So this is okay. I love this, but I'm a little bit disappointed. Ooh. So I'm a little bit disappointed with this one. This one is a cleaner to clean like up where my hands cannot reach. It's long. You have to make it really long. How long is this? Ooh, this is beautiful. So this one is for my remotes in the living room. My children, they don't touch the remote and all that, but when I saw it, I was like, okay, why not? just put all the remotes inside and that's it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put all my remotes and then I will show you guys a picture of this later. This is pretty. So the next on the list is you see this fan. These TikTok people, they want to buy me because of this fan. When I saw it, I'm like, I don't like fan. I don't like AC. Anything fan. If you come to my room, I hardly sleep in my room because my husband sleeps with fan. I don't like it at all. So these people have been disturbing my life. Fan this fan, this fan, this fan. So I said, let me get this fan. It looks nice. And it looks portable. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Can you hear the sound? Okay, okay. Wow, this is 10, power 10. Let me see if it goes higher. It goes higher. It's still going. That's 23. It's still going. Let me see. Oh my god. It's still going, guys. I can't. 40. See, I can't keep going. Let me just tune it down. I just bought it so that it doesn't spoil. Let me enjoy it before it wants to spoil. I'm not saying it's spoiling, no, but this is nice. This looks portable. And the switch off is just at the back, so it looks. I took the white color because why not? I love white. Me, I'm not a dirty person. Oh, it also comes with it also comes with this, so you can literally put it and go with it wherever you want to. But I'm not taking it out, am I? Okay, I have 2 parties coming up. I might take it. Who knows? If it is too hot, I'll take it. But this is nice, I won't lie. So I've put it. It also comes with a charger. So this is not battery, this is chargeable. Yeah. The next but not the least. So what is this? I bought this for my son, so I'm going to give it to him. When I saw it, I remembered my childhood days and I'm like, oh my god. So I'll need to put battery because it doesn't come with battery. And then the last on the list is this chair cover. So I bought this chair cover because you guys, if you watch my video, you see my chair. The chair in my living room, it's not mine. It comes with the house, so we cannot take it out. That's why it's there. Trust me, my husband dislikes that chair like hell. So I saw this. I said, let me get it and see how it goes. If it's pretty, then I'm going to get another one and cover, just put it on the chair. But it's beautiful and it's strong, I won't lie. I'll make a separate video and show you guys what it looks like on the chair. I hope you like this video. Bye. My unboxing video.